Now we will talk about assigning a structure to another structure. All right, we assign a structure. Let me write down here. Assign a structure to another structure, right? Regular variables, we always do this, right? And it is possible for structures also. If you have a structure v1 and v2, right, two structures, and let's say they are the same type, okay, two variables or three variables, whatever that is, I could easily do v2 equal to v1 because they are the same structures, if they are same structures, same member and everything, it's a blind copy. Just like how two variables are, you are assigning them, you can assign structure variables also similarly, because it's going to do a bit by bit copy of everything. Sorry, all right, bit by bit. So you can easily do. So let's go here, and here I have two variables, test v1 and v2. They are the same structure, and I assigned a value. So it's basically assign v1 to v2. It's very simple. It's a slam dunk. If you want to copy massive amounts of data, this is the best option too. But can you compare them? Can you compare two structure variables? Two structure variables? You cannot. The reason is, when you have two structures, right? Two structures. Remember, we saw in the past, let's say they are the same type and everything. There's a padding and gaps. Remember, we saw that before. There's a gap. There's a gaps and there's a padding we saw before. Because this have gaps or padding, and these gaps and paddings have garbage values. Right? Even though they are the same type, one of them will have a different garbage, the other one will have a different garbage. So even though they may have the same values, but you cannot compare, right? So for example, here I have assigned v1 to v2. Why can't I compare? Unfortunately, you cannot compare. The compiler will not let you do it. All right. So if you go here and say gcc compile, right? See, it's error. You will not be able to do that. All right. So what we learned from this video is, what we learned from here is, you can always assign one structure to another structure. Very good. Assignment of structures is possible. Provided they are the same type. But comparison is not even allowed. All right. Okay. So that's the end of this video. Thank you.